Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on December the 16th, 2020. Wall Street hits new high on stimulus, Apple surge. Wall Street showed signs of a New Year's surge Tuesday as the Nasdaq closed at a record high, helped by optimism about a potential government stimulus to protect the economy from a coronavirus pandemic. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.13% and the S&P 500 rose 1.29%. The Nasdaq Composite rose 1.25% to 12,595.06, surpassing its previous record high at the close on December the 8th. Apple Inc. led all three U.S. indexes, rising 5% to its highest level since September. Some investors saw the recent spike in morbidity and mortality from coronavirus infections, as well as the dismal November jobs report, as a boost to a quick deal on the COVID-19 stimulus bill. Fed faces complex task to balance vaccine recovery. The Federal Reserve on Wednesday will offer its first look at how the coronavirus vaccine has changed the U.S. economic outlook and whether business, workers, and families need more help until immunity becomes widespread. The landscape has changed since the last Fed meeting, and the introduction of the COVID-19 vaccine will almost certainly raise the outlook for 2021. In the forecast last September, Fed officials saw the economy grow 4% next year and the unemployment rate drop to 5.5%. Analysts expect both figures to be raised. Less clear is what the Fed decides to do in the meantime, including whether to focus its $120 billion in monthly asset purchases in a way that would further lower long-term interest rates, which could help many industries. European tech firms to hold high-profile IPOs. Some European tech companies are preparing to accelerate listing plans early next year to get some of the billions of dollars in investors' cash that are already fueling a record number of tech IPOs in the U.S. this year. Here's a few of those companies. Deliveroo, a British online food delivery company, is expected to join the list in London early next year. The company, which has appointed investment banks Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan to manage the IPO, could be worth more than £3 billion. Music Magpie, a resale site that allows users to sell their old cell phones, DVDs, and other electronic devices for cash, has also reportedly hired banks for an IPO in London next year. In addition, Swedish payments company Clarda Bank AB, whose valuation reached $5.5 billion. Zoom expands in Singapore, opens research center. Zoom Video Communications Inc. said Wednesday it will expand its presence in Singapore by opening a research and development center and immediately hire hundreds of engineers staff for new operations. The video conferencing provider said in a statement that it will also double the capacity of its data center in the country. California-based San Jose launched its Singapore data center in August, the first in Southeast Asia. The company has seen a surge in video conferencing users this year, with millions of workers and students using its video platform while working and studying from home due to blockage caused by coronavirus.